Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy New Year. I haven't seen you in like the longest time. If I'm honest with you, this is actually the second time I'm filming this video because I recorded everything, had to record for this video, I had it down to the T, I was happy with it. I put my SD card on my laptop and the clips are not playing and I'm trying to fix it and it's not coming to any resolve. So I just thought, you know what, yeah, let me just record the thing again. Even though I'm highly annoyed that I have to do this again because it came out perfect the first time. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Everybody say yeah.
It's okay, it's okay! Everybody say yeah! Yeah!
So today's video is going to be my maintenance week. I'm going to be telling you, well, showing you the things I do to upkeep my beauty. Disclaimer, I'm not saying that you need these things to be beautiful. I'm not saying that if you don't have these things done that you're not pretty. You have to, please don't stop taking things personal. It's 2020. Yeah, this is what I get done. If you don't like it, click off. If you like it, stay. Simple as that. So I'm gonna start off with my nails. Well, I used to get my nails done back to back acrylic as of the beginning of last year all the way to the end of last year, 2019. So I got my nails done regularly by my nail tech, who is nails_by_Rochelle. She is amazing. Her work is phenomenal. Absolutely love her. Hey guys, so I'm just getting my nails done with Nails by Rochelle. This is a month of growth on my nails. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next, but that's what we're doing here. Don't worry, you're like, that's what we're doing here. So I'm gonna show you the process and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. So aside from getting my nails done, I also get laser hair removal done. I've been getting laser hair removal done for quite a minute now. I get my laser hair removal done at Pulse Light Clinic in London. They have quite a few branches in London. I go to the Tottenham Court Road one. I think it's that one I go to. I don't know, girl, but I'll leave it in the description box. And I get my underarms lasered. I used to get my legs lasered, but I'll explain why I don't in a second. And I also get my navel lasered as well. Guys, so I am at Pulse Light Clinic and I'm just getting my laser hair removal done. So today I'm gonna have my underarms done and my navel done. I've had about, I'm not sure how many sessions I've had. A lot. Yeah, I've had a lot.
I'll work it out.
Yeah, and then same with my navel. But so far the hair isn't, I mean, I can show you, the hair isn't growing back as thick. It's very sparse. So I'm just getting like, I'm just getting like a top up, and same with my navel as well. So I'm gonna show you the whole process. It does hurt, but not, to be fair, I'm really bad with pain. So it just feels like a prickly, like a hot, like a rubber band against your skin, like a hot rubber band against your skin. It's basically the best way I can describe it. I used to get my coochie lasered, and it was actually the first thing I started getting lasered until I realized how much that ish hurt. That thing hurts so bad and I wasn't about it, and yeah, I stopped doing the coochie. But I still do get my underarms and my navel. It hurts, but it's a bearable pain.
This is just pre-laser solution, just to make sure there's no deodorant on there.
Oh, okay.
Because where deodorant's white, it reflects the laser back, so basically it makes the treatment ineffective.
Oh, really?
Also, if there's any oil in the deodorant, it can overheat and have like a frying pan effect.
Oh wow, okay.
That's why I always advise that you don't wear moisturisers or any sort of body oils before treatment.
But then again, the TFL, I can't come.
I know, a lot of people.
I'm gonna come here with smelly underarms.
That's fine, that's why we cleanse you when you get here. We only treat where the hairs grow, so we don't get any reactive hairs.
Oh, okay. What do you mean by reactive hairs?
So sometimes, if you've got little tiny fine hairs, they're not enough to absorb enough energy to die, but enough energy to grow. So you can stimulate more hair growth, and we don't want that.
And I have it on the highest blast, like cool air, yeah.
We put on this area, we always do.
Alright, cool.
If at any point it feels too much, or you want me to stop, just say, and you can stop. We'll go at your pace. We're going to just start here.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah. Can we have it a bit higher?
Well, colder.
Yeah.
40, that's on maximum.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's as cold as it goes. A bit slower then. Is that better?
Yeah.
Maybe you feel a bit warm when you've been on the train.
Yeah, maybe. But in this part here, this is where all your glands are, so it does feel a little bit warmer here naturally. Now just cool it
off now.
Are we done?
It's done. It's all done.
God. I get a lot of questions about laser and dark skin and things like that. The laser clinic that I go to specialize in dark skin, so I haven't experienced any like burning or dark marks, although I don't get my legs done anymore because there was a time where I started to get my legs done around summer, which isn't advisable because obviously when you get laser done it's not good to be out in the sun. But I started to get my legs done around summer, and I got a patch test on my leg, and yeah, I reacted to the laser. So I stopped doing my legs, but I always get my navel done because you know that snail trail is not cute, so I like to get rid of that. And my bikini area doesn't really grow back anymore since I used to get it lasered quite a lot. It's like really sparse thin hairs. I literally just like shave, like, or I'll do like a quick wax. I really don't need to, it's like really sparse. But my hair isn't growing back as much. I still get hair on my underarms, but definitely not as much as I used to. Like, it's like really fine thin hairs that you can barely see them. Alright guys, so armpits done. She just put a bit of aloe vera gel, just cool it down. And now we're doing the navel area. This one doesn't really hurt that much. No, it doesn't, because the hairs are a lot finer there here. And also you got, you know, a bit of extra tissue there. Yeah, it's only like lower down, like closer to... Yeah, but the hairs get a lot thicker, and also the skin's a lot thinner there. Oh, you've got your glands there as well. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, then that didn't really hurt at all. Oh yeah. That's it, guys. I barely ever get hairs on my navel area anymore. I've had quite a lot of sessions though, so if you're looking into laser, I'll definitely leave all of the details down below. And one thing I can say is that it's brightened up those areas. Those areas are definitely a lot brighter because I don't want to be walking around with dark ass coochie and dark ass armpits. Like, nuh-uh. So another thing that I've added to my list of maintenance are facials. This one is called the Aqua 3 facial, and it's basically like a hydrating facial. It's supposed to give your skin a really nice glow. I feel like skincare is really important in just like everyday life, so I really want to get more into facials. I really want to get more into like microdermabrasion and dermaplaning and things like that. So this is literally like the beginning of many facials, but yeah, I'll leave all the details for this facial down below, just so you can check them out if you're interested. And last but not least is body sculpting, and I get this done in Beyond Spa Clinic in Harvey Nichols. The clinic is called Bell Health UK. I'm gonna leave all this information below, but it was quite interesting to say the least. So we're here. I'm sat on the, what's it called? So it's a conductive plate. Okay. And it's gonna heated plate. Yeah, heated plate. It's gonna heat up a bit later. It's a bit cold right now. And now we're setting up. I'm literally like, I don't really know what's going on, but we'll get there. So I'm gonna put some conductive cream on your stomach now. Okay. And then we're gonna start to work on it. Okay. Is this like an immediate effect, or is it? You're gonna see a difference. Oh, yeah. Really? We're gonna give you in your goodie bag though. You can come up for like follow-up treatments. Oh, okay. So you can like see a bigger difference. And there's a voucher for a treatment here as well of your choice. Because on that day I felt heavily bloated on that day, like extremely bloated. I realized after that I actually came on my period, so it made sense, but I feel like that was like the worst day to get it done because you're supposed to see results like, I think immediately. I'm not totally sure, but I think you're supposed to see the results immediately. But because of my period and like I was feeling really bloated and uncomfortable, I didn't really see results like immediately. But a few days after, I do feel a lot lighter. I can't say it's taken all the fat away from my stomach because, honey, that's kind of like impossible. I feel like you have to keep getting sessions done. So the more sessions I get done, the more I keep you guys updated. And of course, I'll show you like before and afters and pictures and stuff like that to see if it really works. So this is a conductive cream. So this is just gonna, when we're using the electrodes on it, this is just going to help it work better, so it's in between. Okay, so again, this is a body contouring treatment. Yeah. Body contouring treatment. Okay, cool. I feel really bloated as well, so this is probably like the best. And I'm coming. Make sure you feel relaxed though. No, but you know when you're coming on your going time, yeah, I'm on mine at the moment. Yeah, actually. So your belly's just like, everything's just hanging. It's going to be quite hot. It's going to feel a bit like a hot stone massage. Okay. And then the plate will start to heat up that's under you as well. Okay. So this is using radio frequency and proionic technology. That's how it's working. Okay. You're not going to feel the heat at first, it's going to gradually go up. It doesn't hurt. You know what this reminds me of? You know the shock thing you have on your... yeah, I thought you were going to say like an ultrasound scan. Yeah. No, I've never had one of those. No. It gets
too hot, let me know.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm a bit lower actually.
I'm cold, so I actually need.
Okay.
I like the machine. I like the fact that the machine doesn't make like a scary noise.
Yeah, it's just like the tiny beep.
Because you know when you're having treatment, some of the machine's like.
You're
Like,
yeah.
perfect. Is there any aftercare stuff? That
There's no downtime, and so you don't need to do anything in particular after. But it's good to drink a lot of water after the treatment, and obviously just a healthy lifestyle will help.
Yeah.
If we're focusing on tightening the stomach, it's good to also
Eat well.
eat healthy. But yeah, I'd say to drink a lot of water will be good.
Okay. But do a lot of like celebs have this done?
Yeah, yeah. It's really big in Spain. So like with Spanish models and celebrities that had it done, and now it's come to the UK. So it's getting more and more popular.
This is moisturiser, can I just... Okay.
Just going to push a little bit harder on there. Does it feel okay?
Yep.
Put the heat up a little bit. Remember it gets too hot.
This is an alternative to BBL. Not that I'll ever do that.
So what, sorry?
A BBL.
What's BBL?
You don't know what a BBL?
No.
Brazilian butt lift.
Oh, Brazilian butt lift.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never heard of it. Yeah, so this was in the Daily Mail as called the Spanish bum lift.
Oh, okay.
And it's dubbed like the top 2020 aesthetic treatment. So I know you're having it on your stomach, but yeah, it's it's called the Spanish bum lift because it's non-surgical.
Yeah, that's good because I always rave about like not having surgery. But...
Yeah, it's completely non-surgical, non-invasive. Yeah, no, I've just not heard of it as BBL.
Oh right, yeah.
I
thought people knew it was called BBL.
Or maybe just I don't.
I'm not one that believes in like surgical procedures and things like that. It's just not for me. Sometimes I do get the urge. I do be seeing bodies on Instagram. I'm like, oh, I'll just get a nip and talk and just. But I'm like, honey, it's not that deep. Like, I just feel like it's never ever that deep for me to like bleed. It's just not that serious. So, non-invasive, non-surgical for me. Yeah, I don't know what you guys like getting done. You can leave all your beauty stuff down below, but I personally am not a big fan of what's that thing on the eyebrows, microblading. I'm not a big fan of microblading. I just don't like the idea of having permanent eyebrows on your face. I just feel like it's just too much. I know it's not completely permanent, but I still feel like it's just a bit too much. I'm not really a fan of eyelashes, like individual lashes, because I like to touch my face a lot. I like to wash my face like deeply. I like the idea of switching up my lashes based on the makeup style that I'm wearing. So lashes are kind of annoying for me, but I know a lot of people get their lashes done, a lot of people get their brows done. My maintenance is quite simple, literally just my legs, no, not my legs, my nails, my feet, laser, and obviously of late the body sculpting, but that's not something I do on a regular. But let me know what you guys get done on a regular. How do you upkeep your beauty as a woman? I feel like with these standards in 2020 it's kind of hard to keep up with like everything. But yeah, tell me what you guys do to maintain your body, your femininity and all that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.